Shout out to the slow artists. Shout out to the writers who plunk it out 10, 20 words a day. Shout out to the musicians who take time, to the people who have to practice and practice and practice to even get close to where they want to be. Shout out to all of us who are not geniuses and cannot Mozart something perfectly in our head and onto paper, boom, in the blink of an eye. But we still love our story, and we're gonna do it anyway, no matter how long it takes. Shout out to us, because being slow does not mean being bad or lesser in any way. All it means is your pace is different. That's it. A different pace is fine. There's nothing wrong with a different pace. I don't care if you're slow. I don't care if you're fast. I just care if you create. So, shout out to those of us who do this slowly but still love what we do. You've got this. Your story, your song, your piece of art can and will become reality if you don't give up. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.